Hey guys, Tim Briggs here with Collision Edge. Today we're going to talk to you about the Dent Viewer. The Dent Viewer is a photo tool that helps you get better photos of subjective damage. You'll notice it has two sides. One side is a dark side, and that side works with your outside and bright sun situation or a photo in light colors. The front side has a conspicuity film, like a stop sign, so it grabs a camera flash and reflects onto the panel. So it works great for inside photography and for regular colors. So let me show you how this works. What you want to do is you want to get the camera at a 45-degree angle from the board. The board never goes in the photo, so as you take your picture, the flash from the camera bounces off the panel, hits the board, and reflects back on the board, giving you a really detailed image of the panel. We also have a sister product called the XL. So the XL is the grown-up version of the Dent Viewer. A lot of the guys that had repair planning bays decided they wanted to have these because they were bigger to get bigger areas. They tip on their own. It has the same two sides. It's very handy. And it's also available from Collision Edge. We hope you guys enjoyed our demonstration of the Dent Viewer. Remember these key things. You got two sides to the board. The dark side is for outside and light colors. The conspicuity side is for inside and your darker colors. Make sure and hold your angle. Make sure that the board is never in the photo, only a reflection of the board. Make sure your flash is on your indoor photos. If you guys do all that, you're gonna have no problem getting great pictures of dents to communicate the damage to your insurance partners, and it's gonna be a great thing. Thank you for your time.